there's a big storm coming. You guys better go home.
We only just got here.
Yeah, it's gonna rain. All day by the look of those clouds. I need to get to school for a Saturday staff meeting, and you guys need to get to Mako where you'll be safe.
We'll make sure we don't get wet.
You think that's easy? I've had years of practice. I know how to run my life around rain. You don't. If you leave now, I reckon you've got 20 minutes before you get caught. Bye.
You haven't even started.
Started what?
Packing! I told you I wanted to get away as soon as we can.
I have. I was just thinking about what to take.
We do the father-son camping trip every year. What's to think about?
There's always last-minute stuff I forget to take.
Well, make sure it's not your wet weather gear. What?
Why?
I checked the forecast. There's a storm moving in later this morning.
You're joking.
So we get a bit wet. What's the big deal?
But a storm means lightning. We could get hit.
There's nothing on our tent that conducts electricity, Zach.
But it'll be muddy everywhere and...
And it'll still be great. Now, I want to get going as soon as we can, so hurry up with your packing.
Cam, I need your help.
It's not even raining yet. We can still get to Zach, zap him, and swim to Mako before it starts.
Well, actually, according to our new Aunt Rita, we'll be stuck outside like beached whales with our tails out for everyone to see. We do not look like whales.
Well, if you stopped arguing with me and got on with it, there wouldn't be a problem.
You're not always right, Lyla.
Neither are you.
You are like a barnacle on a rock. You just never let go. It is going to rain. We have to come back. Zach isn't going anywhere.
Do you really want to wait even longer to get him?
We've got no choice. We can't go outside when it's raining.
Maybe it is, and maybe it isn't. There are ways for mermaids to hold back the rain.
No way. We're not using my moon ring to change the weather.
We're not meant to use it to get legs either, but...
If anybody found out...
What? They'd banish us again? We'd get in even more trouble? We came here to fix Zach. We can't run away from that just because of some stupid rain. You want to see your sister at Quatter again, don't you?
You know I do. But when we need Nixie, I mean, it took all three of us to get our legs.
This is just stopping the rain. We can do it.
Hello? Come on, guys.
There's no need to panic.
Are you kidding? There's every need. We've gone camping every year. Dad's gonna be crushed. But I can't tell him if I go out in this, I turn into a fish boy.
Okay, then let him down gently. Tell him you're feeling woozy and running a temperature. It's foolproof. Works on my parents all the time.
Your dad isn't a doctor. Any other bright ideas?
I'm working on it.
To work?
I'm not sure.
What's going on? Why is it so cold?
What's happening? What did we do?
I don't know, let's try again.
But we can't.
We have to.
We made it snow. Inside.
I'm freezing.
Quick, make it stop.
Try harder.
What have we done?
We have to get out of here.
At least it's only in the grotto.
You've got to be kidding me. Let's melt it, use the moon ring.
After what happened? No way am I using it again.
Fine.
Stop, you're making it worse. This was supposed to be our way out. Now we're trapped. I told you it was a mistake to use the moon ring, but you wouldn't listen.
We can't have used it right.
We shouldn't have used it at all. This is your fault, not mine. My skin. It's so itchy. And it's on your face too. What's wrong with us?
So until this pressure trough moves, we can expect lots of heavy rainfall and severe weather warnings for coastal regions.
This is not good news.
You ready, Zach? Whew. Oh, hey, Cam. Sorry, this is the father-son camping weekend. Any other time I'd ask you along.
That's cool. I would not want to camp in this anyway. If it was me and my dad, I'd hope he'd cancelled, to be honest. The forecast is terrible.
Nice try, Zach. Let's go.
Sorry, Dr. Blakely. Look, you're just gonna have to tell him the truth, man.
What?
Dr. Blakely, the real reason Zach doesn't want to camp
Cam!
is he's sick. He just didn't want to bother you with it.
Oh, really? How long have you felt off? Don't feel hot. Pulse isn't up. You seem fine. Why are you doing this? Don't you want to hang out with your old man anymore? Is that it?
Of course I do.
If this is your idea of a joke, it's not very funny, Zach. Now get your act together and pack your gear, all right?
I feel terrible.
Oh, we can fix it. We use the moon ring again.
And make it worse? I said I wouldn't.
Oh, you don't know that.
Nixie's right. You never give up. I'm not risking it. Don't ask me again. It's getting worse. Now my ears are ringing.
It's that thing. Make it stop.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, hi.
Oh, you sound like a real boy.
That's because I am a real boy.
You don't look like one.
Gee, thanks. You sound familiar.
Really? I've never spoken to you before.
Yes, you have. Is that Sirena?
How did you know?
It's David from the cafe.
How did you get in there?
Through the door, like always. What are you doing at Miss Santos's place?
Oh, she's our aunt. We were just visiting.
Principal Santos is your aunt? No kidding. I've got a regular order to deliver.
Oh, right.
Since you're there, do you mind if I drop it over? I'll see you soon.
No. Hello? David? David, hello? He can't see us like this. How do I get him back? Hello?
Come on, guys.
Hello? Serena?
Get rid of him.
Hi. Just leave it there.
I can't, it has to go in the fridge.
I could do that.
Well, you have to open the door a little bit more so I can get the box in. Oh, that's a nasty looking rash, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just give me the fish.
Yeah, no, that's alright, I'll give you a hand. You don't look too good either. I've got to get a doctor, there's something wrong with both of you.
No, there's nothing wrong.
Come on, a rash like that? It's got to be serious. Hello, Dr. Blakely's surgery?
What's going on, Zach? You know your father loves these camping trips. If you really don't want to go anymore, don't play games. He deserves better.
But he's not. He really is sick.
Cam, please. If his father says he isn't...
Touch him now. He's burning up.
You really are running a temperature. Oh, darling, I'm sorry. I feel terrible. Well, at least this explains a few things. Your father made a mistake. You're definitely not well enough to go camping.
Hello, girls. I'm Dr. Blakely. That's a nasty rash. How long have you had it? Are you allergic to anything?
Only kelp spores in the Atlantic. I'm not hungry, thanks.
What have you eaten today?
Caviar and some sea urchins on the way in.
Must have been from Miss Santos's fridge. They didn't touch any of the seafood I brought.
It isn't working. That's odd. You're burning up. And so are you. Did you eat the seafood too? And it can't be an allergy to that. You might want to give me a bit of space, mate. I'm not sure if it's contagious or not. Never seen anything like it.
Hey, Lyla. Serena. Guys, why is it so cold?
Hello?
I'm afraid your nieces aren't very well at all, Mrs. Santos.
Why? What's wrong with them?
It's hard to say exactly. Their symptoms make no sense to me. They'll have to go to hospital for some tests.
Well, surely it's not that bad.
Tests?
No, we can't.
It's the only way to find out what's wrong with you. Could you call an ambulance, David?
Yeah, sure.
Can you wait till I get home? I might know what's wrong with them. Some unusual things run in our family.
I'd rather not take any chances.
What is going on?
It was her idea to use the moon ring to stop the rain.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm Nixie.
You didn't know they were sick?
I came through the back door.
Your auntie wants to talk to you.
Hello? Hello?
Rita?
I told you to stay out of trouble.
That
They
reminds me.
used the moon ring to stop it from raining.
Oh, they should never have done that.
It snowed instead, and now they're really sick and have a horrible rash.
Of course they do. Do you have any idea what that'd do to you?
You're southern mermaids.
There's no snow in the South Pacific. They've got snow rash. Now listen carefully because you don't have much time.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
It is contagious. You've got it too.
I have to go do something.
That ambulance better come quickly.
Dried seahorse powder. Dried seahorse powder.
Hun, it's me. Zach really isn't well. He's burning up.
Oh, for goodness sake, I thought he was faking. High temper. He doesn't have a rash, does he?
No. Why?
He might develop one. So don't be too alarmed, even if it's quite severe.
Hello. Yes. Uh-huh. Gotcha.
What's taking that ambulance so long?
I don't want to go, please.
We're fine, really.
There's nothing to be afraid of. Just want to make you better.
Psst. Stay there.
Nixie.
Just don't move, all right?
What was that?
We really don't want to move from here.
Finally. We'll get you to the hospital and...
That won't be necessary.
I knew we'd be okay. Sorry for causing so much trouble.
The rash, it's gone.
And the fever, but how?
Guess it must have been something we ate after all.
Thank you, Dr. Blakely. We'll see you soon.
Are you sure you're going to be okay?
Never better.
But what about the box of said?
Bye, David. Thanks, Doctor.
Bye, David.
You know, guys, I can't keep saving your tails like this all the time. Understand?
You're in the clear, man. Storm's gone.
Really?
I can see blue skies, so start packing.
Zach! How are you feeling? I'm so sorry for not believing you before.
You are? It's okay, Dad.
No, it's not. I'm a doctor. I should have listened to my own son. There's obviously something going around. Fever's gone.
Really?
I feel fine now.
I just saw the same thing happen to Principal Santos's nieces, too. It was the weirdest thing. It came and went so fast. Next time you feel sick, say so. Am I that hard to talk to? And if you don't want to go camping, tell me that, too.
No, Dad, I really do.
We can go camping any time, son. What's important is you feel you can talk to me.
I do, honest.
Good.
I am never using my moon ring for anything like this again.
Oh, come on. It's the first time we've got it wrong.
We're not old enough to know how to use it properly.
We don't know what we're messing with. Blah, blah, blah. Please, we're going to hear it all from Rita.
You shouldn't have ignored her and gone back to Mako. What if you had been taken to hospital? Told her we wouldn't make trouble. I mean, we're lucky she hasn't kicked us out.
Oh, no. She still might. When you told her that we made it snow, did you say where?